Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate the ninth experiment of electricity and magnetism lab. Here the aim of the experiment is to find out the unknown capacitance by using scattering breeze. To perform this experiment, the apparatus required is the scattering breeze Turner kit and connecting wires. The CRO is optional and these are all the setups. Here the Turner cases consist of a scattering breeze circuit with 4 R values. 1 kHz sine wave oscillator is given on the board having output 0 to 15 volt peak to peak. A audio amplifier and speaker is provided for null detector. Here is the R1, here is the R2, C2 is the fix, Cx is the unknown capacitance which we have to find out, that is Cx1, Cx2, Cx3. 3 values of unknown capacitance is given here, and this is the CRO point. If you want to connect the CRO, then you can connect. This is all about the Turner kit. Now moves towards the circuit connection. So here the circuit is given. So this B to D, it is dotted line with oscillator 1 kHz. So we have to connect this sine wave oscillator. E to C, there is a dotted line, so it is not connected internally, we have to connect it. The connection is over. If you want to connect the CRO, then the BNC cable of the CRO you have to connect. The connection is over. So we have to fix the R1 in 1.5 or whatever you want to take. Here I am only showing you with single R1 values, that is 1.5K, and the Rx value or Rx whatever you make. Initially I have kept the knob at Cx1, so we have to find out the unknown capacitance Cx1. Now we switch on the power supply and switch on the CRO. And we give the sine wave 15 volt 1 kHz oscillator. Now we have already set the R1 at 1.5K and we have to adjust the R2 in such a way that null point is obtained. In CRO or speaker whatever, in speaker hearing of minimum sound is the null point. So we have to vary this. I can see at this point the null point is this one. Here the sound is very less, speaker sound is very less. The oscillation is like distorted because the ground is little bit loose. So you can check, I am varying this one and the oscillation is also increasing. In the particular time the oscillation is minimum, you can see in the CRO. Okay, it is increasing, it is the null point, and this is again increasing. So the null point is this one. So here the R2 is 3.2k. I have shown you the how to find out the unknown capacitance value using a single resistance. Here I am using R1 is equal to 1.5k. You may use 2k and find out the Cx value. And our experiment is complete.